Next video. In today's video I will show you how to compress image in React Native's new architecture without using third-party library. So first of all I will just show you a demo video for Android. So same applies for iOS as well. So here, as you can see, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to download an image from Unsplash because the images from Unsplash are very large in size. So I will just download this, and as you can see, like, the image size is almost around 2.11 MB. Now I will open my app. I will click on Hello World. It will open the image picker. I will select that image, and here you can see the image is displayed on our image view, but the image displayed is not from the photo picker. What we are doing is that once the image is picked, we are compressing the image, saving it to our internal storage or temporary directory for iOS, internal storage for Android, and then displaying it. So here you can see I will show the image. So as you can see at the last, for this compressed image, the size is almost around 21 KB. So yeah, let's just get started. So first of all, you will have to create a React Native project as usual. Then you will have to enable the new architecture. So for Android, what you have to do, you will have to search for new arc enable. It will be present inside Android Gradle.properties, and you just have to make this as true, like this. Next, what you have to do is, for iOS you will have to open terminal, go to the root of your React Native project, then cd to your iOS directory, and then run this command. Once this is done, the new architecture is enabled. Next, we will be using both turbo modules as well as fabric. So yeah, firstly, the RTN image picker is a turbo module. You will have and this code is very similar to photo picker video which I have done previously, so I won't be explaining in much detail. I will only explain you guys the compression part. So first, create package.json. Again, copied from docs. This name is changed, this name is changed, this name is changed, and this name is changed. Next, rtn my pod spec file. Again, copied from docs, only this name has been changed. Next, inside JS folder, I have created this line. I have just changed this pick image method name, and this name has been changed. Next, inside Android, go to build.gradle. Again, this has been copied from docs, only this line has been added, this has been changed, and this has been changed. Next, go to src main java com rtn my image picker. First, my image package.kt, image picker package.kt. Again, this has been copied from docs, only this name has been changed, and this module name has been changed at appropriate lines. Next, I have created my image picker module.kt. Here I am asking for internet permission. Why I am asking for internet permission, you can just check out my image picker module. It's because like, we need to access the register for activity result method, and that is only possible via main activity. That's why we need to give a callback to the main activity. That's why I'm using this hack. But once like, for now, it's not like, it is possible to use turbo module directly inside our project without creating a folder, but it's not very easy, and the document does not specify how to do it. In future, once that is available, you don't have to use this workaround. Next, go to Android, go to build.gradle. First, add this Kotlin version as well as add this class path. Next, go to app build.gradle. Here you will have to apply plugin Kotlin Android, and as well as you will have to apply implementation Kotlin standard lib, and you will also need to add these two dependencies for register for activity result to work. Next, go to src main java, and you will have to convert this main activity.java to main activity.kt. Next, all I am doing is I am asking for this internet permission which we had asked on turbo module, and we will get a callback over here. So once the permission is granted, also make sure you add this internet permission in android manifest.xml as well. Next, once this permission is granted, we are just using this picker launcher to pick images only. So here you can see it is only image. So once you pick an image, the callback will go over here, and here you will get the image URI, and from that image URI I am actually compressing the image. I am calling the compress image on it, and it will give us the path for that compressed image, which is internal storage, and I'm sending it to the React Native side. And here, as you can see, this function is used to calculate the sample size of the image, and this is the actual compression technique. And to be completely honest with you, like I have just copy pasted this code from Stack Overflow. So yeah, and here as you can see, I'm just sending the path back to the I'm returning this path. Next, I have also created this RTN my image view, which is a turbo module. So again, create a package.json, again copied from docs. Only this name has been changed, this has been changed, and this has been changed. Next, I have created this Podspec file. Again, this has been copied from docs, and only this name has been changed. Next, I have created a JS folder. Inside that, I have added a TypeScript file, and here I am passing a URL, and I am also using RTN my image view. I have changed this name, which I mean. Next, go to Android, go to build.gradle. Here again, I have copy pasted everything from docs. Only add this line: apply plugin Kotlin Android. Change this namespace, and you will have to add this Kotlin standard lib. You don't need this coil dependency. Okay, you can just remove this. Next, inside src, I have added this is my image view, so it just extends from avcompat image view. Next, inside image manager, again this has been copied from docs, only name has been changed at appropriate lines. Over here, over here, over here, everything else is copied from docs. And here this is how we are setting the image URI, which is passed from native side to React Native side, and it will be again passed from React Native to the native side. So this is how we are setting the image URI to our image view. Next, I have created a package class, and here again this has been copied from docs, only the name has been changed. So this is done. Next, what you will have to do is you will have to go to app.tsx. Firstly, you will have to open the terminal, go to the root of your React Native project, and first run this command. Once you are done, then run this command. Once you are done with that, you will have to do cd dot dot. It will move you outside your React Native project. Then you will have to run this command. But here make sure rnapp is my project name, so you change it to whatever your project name is. As you can see over here, this should be rnapp, and rnapp. So this should be your project name, followed by the folder name. Same over here as well, same as above command, but this folder name will change. Also this project name will change, whatever your project name is. Next, you will have to cd to Android, main Android folder, and run this command. Then cd to iOS, and then run this command. Okay, so I will show you the iOS part as well. First of all, go to rnapp. Make sure you open the iOS inside Xcode. Open info.plist. Add this photo library usage description permission. Next, you will have to add this event emitter for sending data. Then I have added this Objective-C file as well. I have shown this multiple times in my tutorial, that's why I'm not explaining this all stuff. Next, I have added a Swift file called myImagePicker. So it will import from React. Okay, it will import React photos and photos UI, and it will extend PHPicker view controller delegate. As usual, we are first checking for permission. Once permission is granted, it will go to pick photo. Here we are actually picking a photo. Once photo is picked, we are dismissing the controller, and we will get a UI image which is handled inside this image. So here the actual compression of the image takes place, so you can change it to whatever you want, like from 0 to 1. Also for Android, I think I didn't explain to you guys properly. Here this desired height and desired width, make sure you play around this value. Like I'm not exactly sure why we have taken this 800 by 800. I think it depends on the image size, and here you can compress the format to whatever you want, like from 0 to 100. So okay, coming back to our Swift file. So here I am compressing the image. and here I am saving it to our temporary directory and sending it back to React Native side. Next, inside my image view.swift, I have just taken a UI view and taken an image view, and once we get the URL, I'm setting it to our image view, and in initialization part I'm just using NS layout constraints. Next, inside inside bridging header you will have to add this import. Next, here inside this header file, again this has been copied from docs, only this names has been changed, this name, and this name. Next, I have created an Objective C++ file, again this has been copied from docs, this name has been changed, and this should be your bridging header name. Here I am initializing our Swift file, again this has been copied from docs and only this name has been changed, and here I am calling the Swift file check permission method. Next, I have created the header file for our image view, again this has been copied from docs. Next, I have created an Objective C++ file, and again this has been copied from docs, only these names has been changed. Okay, and here this should be your bridging header name, and here I am initializing, again this has been copied from docs, only name has been changed. Here we are creating a variable of our Swift file, this has been copied from docs. Here we are initializing our Swift file and adding it as a subview, and again this has been copied from docs as well. Okay, and here also copied from docs, only this name has been changed. Next, go over here, create a manager class, again this has been copied from docs, and here I have just added a URL property. So that's it for iOS. Now to use it, I have for platform Android I am using this Android view, and for iOS I am using this iOS view. So if you check my Android view, all I am doing is that I have added a button and I am calling the pick image method. Once you call it, you will get an event listener. So once I am getting that value, I am setting it to our image URI and I am displaying it using RTN my image view. For this you can't use the normal image component of React Native because we are saving the file inside internal storage. That's why it isn't working. And for iOS, again same thing, I have created a button and here we are listening for that value. Okay, so once we get this value, I am setting it to our image URI and then I am displaying our RTN image view. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.